Hello, this is TomLuQue, MastGates.com, showing how to replace the shock cord in a tethered hinge MastGate. Whether it's a long one or a short one, after a few years, the gate cord will deteriorate or you may lose it for some reason. But when you order a new shock cord replacement, the original cord has a figure 8 knot, and if you had a short plate, you just look about where the center is and tie the figure 8 knot, and put the long end through, snug up the knot, position the knot so it's closer to this side because it has that natural bend, and then just pull and approximately slide the knot in the center, and the knot is what helps hold the plate from sliding up and down. If you have a long gate, it's harder to get the long end through, so I suggest tying some dental floss to an end, run the dental floss through till you can stretch the end out, grab it, and then pull your knot through till it's approximately centered, and then cut off your ends to the right length to reinstall. Now, if you have a long gate, I'd even suggest maybe tying 2 figure 8 knots in there and pulling them through. Thank you for viewing MastGates.com and how to replace shock cords in a hinged gate.